Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins, and in this particular video I'm going to combine videos 734 and 735 as they both cover the same topic. I have just two coins. They were designated in two different videos because they came at different times, or they arrived at different times, should I say. So they are both coins to do with something that is very dear, and there's something that's being close to many people, and that's breast cancer. So this first coin is from Panama. It's from 2008, and it's a quarter Balboa, and that's B-A-L-B-O-A. On this side here we have the coat of arms of the country, and also the year. On this one we have a very simple ribbon. It's not coloured, but it's supposed to be the pink breast cancer ribbon. This coin from Panama had a mintage of 14 million. Give you a few more seconds to look at it. The second coin is one from Canada, and on this side here, oops, let's get it in there, is a lovely portrait. The Canadians always have great portraits of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, and it also has the year. On the reverse of the coin we have at the bottom here the name of Canada. We have Canada in three sections, and we have three cancer ribbons, and then in the centre we have a coloured cancer ribbon, the pink ribbon on the white background. The mintage for this 2006 coin is 29,798,000. So there you go, those are the two coins side by side. What do you think of these coins? I also have other breast cancer awareness coins, including the Gibraltar £2 coin. So I'm slowly getting together a little selection of this particular worthy topic. Breast cancer is a terrible thing. I had somebody I knew reasonably well die of breast cancer, or secondary cancer relating from breast cancer, and she was the same age as I was, and it's such a shame because she was such a lovely lady, and I enjoyed her company when I was with her. It's been a few years now, but I still have fond memories of her occasionally when I'm thinking about such things, and it's rather sad that this is still going on and we've not yet found a cure for it. So in buying these coins and in supporting the breast cancer charity, let's hope we can stop other people both dying of the disease and being debilitated by it, because it's not easy when you're fighting cancer. You know, I have arthritis, and I know from the friend I lost that what she went through is far worse than I go through on a daily basis, and she's a very brave lady when towards the end. However, that's by the by. It's more than 10 years ago now, so it's slowly becoming part of my history. I do a minimum 4, but just lately 5 videos a week, in the hope that you will have something that you enjoy watching. I am trying to improve my subscriber level, and I've set myself a target of 250 for this year. I'm in the early 170s at the moment. This has been recorded in the end of May, so hopefully I could reach that target that I set myself. It is a stiff one, but stiff target, but it's doable with your help. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you believe I deserved it, could you also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria and collectibles that I tend to do on this channel. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.